Government of India in November 2016 was a laudable and historic effort to clean up the decades-long corruption and black money. It was a move not to harass the honest but not to allow the dishonest to go scot-free. This surprise move by government is disaster for people who have accumulated lakhs and crores of unaccounted cash under their pillows and mattresses. As citizens, we all should be proud of the fact that we elected a government which was capable of taking such brave decisions for the long-term betterment of the country's economy. I know there is a high possibility that a certain percentage of people might interpret this decision negatively. Well, I think not everyone happens to be aware of the decision's long-term benefits. Not everyone happens to be aware of the decision's long-term benefits. Not everyone knows that counterfeit money is one of the main sources of funding for activities related to terrorism. If a country is to progress, we cannot have less than 10% of population paying income tax. I repeat, if a country is to progress, we cannot have less than 10% of population paying income tax. Increased digital transaction will not only provide convenience to the customers, but will also root out corruption and bring down the cost of banking services at the click of a button. Now, we can pay our bills, we can travel, we can enjoy entertainment services, we can shop everything, which is much more convenient than paying through a wallet. The good news is that, according to RBI, banks have received deposits worth 13 lakh crores since after government's credible stock for draining illegal wealth. Ultimately, government will possess an adequate amount of money to invest in infrastructure, education, agriculture and all other sectors to build India economically stronger. Above all, every honest taxpayer should hail this decision. Now, corrupted government officials and politicians who have earned in illegal ways will have no other option to put that money into usage and other fraudulent activities. No doubt, our Prime Minister has taken a bold move to deliver us the India of our dream. This is exactly the same as the situation of renovation and whitewash at our home. We face a lot of problems for days or maybe even for weeks. But we know that once this cleaning work is complete, we will live in a house that has brand new shine. A new house which has no weak walls or cracks, no spots or dampness. So I will request all the Indians to wholeheartedly accept and go ahead with a move to get a clear, better and happy India. Jai Hind.